Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. This video is about MCTVOhio.com, a website that offers access to various local television channels in Ohio. While I can't directly show the website itself due to copyright concerns, I can certainly describe the services and content you can find there. MCTV Ohio appears to be a valuable resource for staying connected with local news, events, and programming from across the state. Imagine having access to a diverse range of channels covering everything from breaking news and weather updates to local sports and community events, all in one place. That's the potential of MCTV Ohio. It's like having a centralized hub for all your Ohio television needs. The website likely provides viewers with a convenient way to stream or access these channels, offering a consolidated platform for a variety of local content. This could be particularly useful for cord cutters, those who have moved away from traditional cable television, or anyone looking to stay informed about happenings in different parts of the state. Think of it as a digital antenna, bringing you a selection of Ohio's local broadcasts. While I can't go into specific details about the individual channels available or the website's navigation, the idea of a platform like MCTV Ohio highlights the evolving landscape of television access. It's a testament to the increasing demand for online streaming and on-demand content. The website probably features a user-friendly interface, making it easy to find and select the channels you want to watch. Imagine browsing through a curated selection of local Ohio channels, choosing what you want to watch with just a few clicks. Having a central location for various Ohio channels can also be beneficial for those interested in comparing different perspectives on local news and events. It allows viewers to gain a more comprehensive understanding of issues affecting their community and the state as a whole. It's a great way to stay connected to what's happening around Ohio, regardless of where you are. So, while I can't provide a visual tour of MCTVOhio.com, I hope this overview gives you a sense of its potential value as a resource for accessing local television content. Remember to check out their website directly for the most up-to-date information on available channels and services. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more tech-related content.